Most people think being wealthy means having a huge house, a luxury car, or a big number in your bank account. But the truth is, wealth is built step by step, through levels. And today, I'll break down the 7 levels of wealth, from being broke to achieving abundance and generational wealth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand right now, and the exact steps you need to move to the next level. Level 1. Financial dependence. This is where we all begin. At this level, you rely on someone else to survive, maybe your parents, family, or in worst case scenario credit cards. If you stop receiving help, you can't cover your basic needs like food, shelter, or transportation. It's also the stage where many people fall into bad debt, borrowing for things they can't afford, digging the hole deeper. The goal at this stage is simple: start earning your own income. Even if it's small, it's about breaking free from total dependence and making your way to the next level. Level 2. Financial solvency. Congratulations, you've got your first income. You can now pay your bills, cover rent, and maybe even go out once in a while. But here's the problem: you're living paycheck to paycheck. If your car breaks down, if you lose your job, or if a medical bill shows up, you're in trouble. This is also the stage where lifestyle creep can trap you. You earn money, and you spend it all on stuff that you might not need. Your mission here is to create breathing room, build a starter emergency fund of at least $1,000, and tackle any high-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans by using the snowball method or avalanche method. Level 3. Financial stability. Now you're on solid ground. You've got a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. You've paid off bad debt. You're no longer stressed about every small expense that comes your way. At this stage, you might open your first investment account, start contributing to a retirement fund, or build good financial habits like pay yourself first. The key here is consistency. Automate your savings. Invest every month, no matter how small. Stability isn't about getting rich. It's about creating a system that works even when life throws curveballs. Most people get stuck on this level. Try to avoid getting trapped here. Level 4. Financial security. This is where things get interesting. Your investments or side hustles now generate enough income to cover your basic needs like food, rent, utilities, transportation. Imagine this: even if you lost your job tomorrow, your passive income could keep a roof over your head and food on the table. It's not complete freedom, but it's peace of mind. The path here is increasing your investment portfolio until it produces cash flow that covers your essentials. Many people aim for lean fire at this stage, financial independence with a minimalist lifestyle. But true financial independence is just around the corner. Level 6. Financial freedom. Independence is good, but freedom is better. At this level, you don't just live comfortably. You live on your own terms. You can upgrade your lifestyle, travel the world, buy your dream car, or take risks in business and life. Money stops being a limitation. The key here is abundance mindset. You build multiple income streams, optimize taxes, and create scalable wealth through businesses or real estate or stocks. The focus is no longer just survival or even comfort, but options to live by your own terms. Now you have the option to work or just do nothing. Level 7. Financial abundance and legacy. This is the highest level of wealth that someone can achieve. You don't just have enough, you have more than enough, for you and for future generations to live on. Your wealth is so strong it outlives you. At this stage, money becomes about impact, giving back, building businesses that employ others, supporting charities, or creating generational wealth for your children. True wealth is not just measured in numbers, it's measured in the lives you change. So, which level are you at right now? Are you still dependent, solvent, stable, or maybe already financially independent? Remember, it doesn't matter where you are today. What matters is that you know the path forward. Because wealth is not built overnight. It's built level by level and step by step. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's on their wealth journey too. And tell me in the comments, which level of wealth are you at today?